guys, welcome to Sparkydivas. Today I'm gonna be swatching all the lip shade that I have from the range Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. It's available in the 10 shade. I have got 4 shade with me and I'm gonna swatch all these 4 shade for you all guys. And I have done a review on this as well. So if you wanna see a review, I will link it down below or somewhere here, so you can go and check that out, that review. So let's get started. First I'm gonna swatch Rose Touch. Rose Touch you can find here.